Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review. Fire launchers are the creators of this product. They have 79 products under their belt, all in the personal development niche. They also are an elite creator on Warrior Plus. In a nutshell, Zumba Aerobic Mastery is a done-for-you health niche product that is designed to get more visitors, boost conversations, and bank profits on the fly. There are 5 things you should know about this product. It's PLR, so no content creation work is required. You can rebrand it, resell it, and then keep the profits. And you get ready-for-made market sales material with fully integrated sales funnel ready to resell, a timeless and trending product in the health niche with training guides, sales demo video, graphics, banners, email templates, bonuses, and much more. A $3,750 value. And you can put your name on it or brand it as you like. The front end is $7, a bargain. And there are 5 upsells that range from $37 to $397. And they include an upsell pack for Zumba Aerobic Mastery, a keto diet secrets with PLR, a keto secrets with PLR upsell, a lifetime PLR membership, and product installation services. Now watch for the downsells. You will save some money, but you will get less of the product. You want to know more? Well, click the second link below and get the full story. Now check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in the first link below. And remember my 4 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online business with get access to free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They show you how to gain reoccurring income online with these. And they show you how to earn a daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system.